like they did in Salman SRK spat?
Roop, the industry, it's a tight situation for industry, almost very similar to way it was 3 years back when Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan had that ugly brawl at Katrina Kaif's birthday party. It's very, very difficult for the A-listers in Bollywood to choose one over the other. Shah Rukh Khan and Farah Khan have been active part of the industry since last 2 decades, and it's extremely difficult for the Roshans, the Karan Johars, the Yash Chopras, the Kapoors, you just name it. It's very difficult for any of them to pick one over the other. And sample this, Karan Johar is co-producing Student of the Year with Shah Rukh Khan's Red Chillies, but he has Farah Khan as the choreographer. Now that should give you an indication of how complex it is for anybody to really take a position and to take a stand or to come out in open in support of either of the two. We do have people on Twitter, a couple of celebrities like Abhisha Patel and Tabu Ratnani, who have openly supported Shah Rukh Khan, but that is where it really ends. One really should say that amongst the A-lister stars and directors, it will be very, very difficult to pick either of the two in this entire situation.
Very true. It definitely seems to be a catch-22 situation for all the bigwigs of Bollywood out there. But then also tell me that, it has been, it seems that Shah Rukh Khan has been trapped in this controversy lately. First, his alleged link-ups with Priyanka Chopra, and now this spat with Shirish Kundar, in which, Salman was also, his name was also dragged. So just tell me, I mean, does it seem that Shah Rukh Khan is just very, very edgy nowadays?
Roop, it will be very difficult for us to really guess whether he's edgy or whether he's been... Let me tell you, and that is something which we have witnesses at the party. There are two strong versions. One says that Shah Rukh Khan was provoked into thrashing Shirish Kundar by Shirish Kundar himself, and the other says that there was no provocation and Shah Rukh Khan and his bodyguards attacked Shirish Kundar. There are two versions, and we need to go with both the versions because these are the two versions that are coming from the eyewitnesses. Some of them are picking up one, the other one are picking up the latter, and that is how it is really. And so clearly difficult to really say if Shah Rukh Khan is edgy or if he is being made to react.
Thank you, Lada, for all the insight and, getting us more from the story there. But definitely, we got you the news first. An SRK Shirish Kundar brawl that took place at a bash thrown by Sanjay Dutt in Mumbai to celebrate the success of his film Agnipath. So the ever-diplomatic Shah Rukh Khan has been spotted with his dagger drawn. Yes, the very charming Shah Rukh got into a war of words that escalated into an ugly fight with old friend Farah Khan's husband Shirish Kundar at the party. But why did the brawl happen? Let's take a look.
King Khan is in the middle of a controversy again. Shah Rukh Khan allegedly got into a brawl with his friend Farah Khan's husband Shirish Kundar at a party thrown by Sanjay Dutt to celebrate Agnipath's success. While the reasons for the tiff are yet unknown, the reason is touted to be Kundar's tweet in October about Ravan's box office response.
Just heard a 150 crore firework fizzle. Ironically, steps to survive a horror movie is trending today.
The ever-diplomatic SRK got into the mood for some dongiri with Kundar about the tweet. Reportedly, Shah Rukh's 3 bodyguards were also involved in beating up Kundar.
Shah Rukh punched and jumped on me, and he had 3 bodyguards with him. I don't know what got him. I was numb with shock, so I couldn't react. He kept screaming at me, "What do you think of yourself? I'll see to it that you're out of this industry." I was totally unprepared for this kind of attack. If I was standing in some area where I would expect some gundaism, I would have been better prepared. But this is a classy party. Who would expect someone to jump on you from behind? I walked out of the party after that. He is taking out his personal frustrations on anyone he comes across.
And what did Farah Khan, who has been blowing hot and cold towards SRK, have to say about her old friend?
Shah Rukh has always told me that physical abuse is the worst way to sort out a problem. It means the person who's hitting has a personal or professional crisis going on. It saddens me to see him doing the same.
While we figure how always level-headed SRK lost his cool, with this, SRK Farah's relationship hits an all-time low. And the chances of a truce seem very dim. Even though Shirish Kundar has just tweeted that,
"Thanks for all your concerns and wishes. We are very grateful. Contrary to rumours, we have no intention of filing an FIR or police complaint."
With Siddharth, Lada Gurudin Singh and Noyan Jyoti in Mumbai, Entertainment Bureau, headlines today.
But now, well, it is a reaction time and Shah Rukh Khan has finally spoken. On Twitter, Shah Rukh Khan tweeted, this is what he said: "Another long night shooting for a public service message film about education, peace and harmony. Feels ironic when I read and see what is being said."